Thanks, Tracy, for starting us all up with the city.
We're rolling. Don't run the photographer over.
You got it.
You got it. You're on the way. Got that momentum going.
Yep, keep going straight. Don't worry what's behind you, Mom.
Thanks for coming today.
Stay right, guys. Stay right.
Great hookup. You'll all be flat after that.
It's one thing to pull yourself up though, but
I'm not videoing you guys.